Hey guys, today on Cooking with Claudia we're making twice baked potatoes. These are one of my favorite side dishes. They're so good and very easy to make. They also make a great side for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Let's get started. I'm using 4 medium-sized gold potatoes for this recipe. You can also use russet potatoes. I'm using a fork to pierce holes in each potato, that way the steam can freely come out as they bake. Drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil onto the potatoes, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Smear the oil, salt and pepper all around each potato. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then bake the potatoes for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Halfway during the baking time, make sure you flip the potatoes, that way they can all bake evenly. When the potatoes are done baking, make sure you stick them with a toothpick to make sure they're very soft and fully baked. Then you're going to let them sit for about 10 minutes to cool down a little. After they've cooled down for 10 minutes, equally divide each potato lengthwise into halves. Use a spoon to scoop out the flesh from each potato, then transfer into a large bowl. Make sure you leave just a little bit of the flesh in the shell to help keep the shape of the shell. Once the flesh is out, you're going to place the shells back into the oven to bake for 10 minutes. This will make the shells nice and crispy. While the shells are crisping up, mash up the flesh of the potatoes. Once mashed, add 2 tablespoons of melted butter, a 1/4 cup of whole milk, a 1/4 cup of sour cream, a 1/4 cup of cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of bacon bits, 1 tablespoon of dried chives, then last season with salt and black pepper to your taste. Go ahead and mix everything together. The texture should be just like mashed potatoes. Once the shells come out of the oven, you're going to set your oven to broil. While your oven is preheating to broil, fill each potato shell with the mashed potatoes. Each shell needs about 2 spoonfuls of mashed potatoes. Once the shells are all filled, we're going to top with some cheddar cheese. You can use as much cheese as you want. We're also going to top with some bacon bits. We're using about a 1/4 cup. Next, top each filled potato with a slice of butter. We're using about 2 tablespoons of butter. Place the potatoes under the broiler to broil for 5 to 8 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Make sure you keep an eye on them so they don't burn. Here they are when they're all done baking. The combination of the melted cheese, butter, and bacon give the potatoes such an amazing aroma. Every single bite has a great texture, from the crispy shell to the soft, fluffy filling. These twice baked potatoes will make such a great side for the holidays. They're so delicious and flavorful. If you want the ingredients and measurements, check the description box.